Whanau, welcome to day 39, Maramatanga In A Minute.
Kia ora tātou, like Mato said, Maramatanga In A Minute, day 39. And in this session, firstly, mihi to our All Blacks for taking out the win tonight.
46-24.
46-24 against Argentina, so ka pai rātou. And quite interestingly, on that note, rugby is actually quite important within our Ratana movement for one specific reason. The korero takes us to 1928. Ratana has finished his mahi wairua, and now he is starting to go through the journey of entering into ngā mea o te Ture Tangata. So he goes to a place called Te Kuiti, lovely beautiful place, that place, and it's actually during a rugby game where he announces his koata. So those are the four politicians that he put into Parliament that were, I guess, petitioning to go into Parliament, or campaigning I should say, to go into Parliament. And so he says this korero, ka wawahi toku tinana ki ngā koata e wha. And so that's basically him saying, I'm going to now split my body into four quarters, and one to Aripa, te tai hauauru, te omika down into Waipoinamu, Peruiri Tua and Te Tai Tokiro, and Hamwera and Te Tai Rāwhiti. So these would be the four people who would be campaigning to enter into Parliament to represent us, tātou te Māori.
No reira whanau.
So that's, no reira whanau. But just to add another extra korero onto that, you know, there's got to be a reason as to why Ratana gave this korero at a rugby game. So, paku pātai tēnei ki a koutou, why do you think that is? Drop us a bit of a korero in the comment section and let us know. But ai, e roti tēnā, nā mana ki tango ki rungi a tātou katoa, matua tama wairo taku ngai point, mā ngai tātou mai. Ai nei, ake nei ai.